What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're playing Robotnik Ultimate Duels, as it says over there. And now, today we're gonna see Mechasonic versus Silver Sonic. See who's the better, or Metal Sonic or something. So let's see. Now they're battling. So, who will be the victor? And it looks like... Who's winning though? I have no idea who's winning. Since... For some reason, I think Mechasonic is dying more now. Ew. Looks like Silver Sonic's the best. Well then, I'll see you all later. Subscribe and like if you want. I'm not forcing you. Good day.